Welcome to the channel, and we have a new video on Univ.Money. So it's been a while since our last update on Univ, so if you guys are still enjoying this project, make sure to drop a like and subscribe down below if you guys are new. Before we get any further, I just need to disclose that this is not financial advice. Please do your own research before investing anything and only invest what you are willing to lose. So my planet is still chilling as a Neptune. My locked amount is $17 with a pending reward of 73 cents. So I'm going to go ahead and compound this right now. We're making our way slowly but surely over to that Jupiter. We get there once we get to the 20% bonus. It'll take a while, but we're slowly getting there. There is some very good news for the Universe project. As we can see, as of yesterday, they have had their first audit announced, partnered with Solidity of Finance, and their whole contract is audited here. So we can actually take a look at the audit. Audit summary: Univ's recent ERC token where users can mint NFTs to earn rewards, contact address, liquidity pool, other contracts, and these are the audit's findings. So these are all of the Universe contract stuff where the tokens are held with the supply. Users can burn at any time, max amount of tokens. I would advise reading this whole audit down below if you guys are looking to actually invest into this project, because the audit will basically cover up any holes or flaws in the project, where it will show them if there's anything wrong before you obviously invest. So everything looked pretty good. This is again summarizing the contract and the audit results. So the storage right passed. Centralization of control. This is the only thing with a warning. As we can see, the owner may pause at Planet Manager upgradable contracting disabling functionality. They can withdraw AVAX. They may add address and may implement contracts changing the logic of functions. So it is a more centralization of control. That is the only, I guess, warning with this project. But I feel like it's been going on long enough. It's been looking pretty good. Also, the changes are so they can change, obviously, the tokenomics and stuff. And everything else we can see is pass. So, comply issues pass, delegate call pass, dependence pass, theft, loans, front running, improper events. To be honest, I don't really know too much about auditing, but it's good for the protocol, I guess. We can see some of the inheritance charts for the pool managers, a little graph. Yeah. Again, this is basically just how the whole smart contract works. If you're into your coding, you'll probably like this, but yeah, that's the audit for Universe, so very good news. We can see my planet is now compounded. We're up to 11.4 bonus. We do have good news for the price of Univ as well. As we can see, we're all the way up to 0.0002. We're up nearly 11% today, which is looking really nice. And even if we scroll back, we can see Univ bottomed out at like 0.0013, and we're nearly at double that now, all the way up to 2. Fingers crossed we can still get some more positive price action, or just have it stable now. I feel like Univ's been around a while. We've had the initial hype, we've had the lows, and now we can actually start uptrending again. I do have a calculator if you guys haven't seen that before. It'll be linked in the description down below. If you want to know how to use it, you want to press file and then make a copy. So as we can see, last time we took a look at the calculator, it was at 0.000154. So we'll update the price in here. And yeah, this is what we can see now. Obviously, if you make a planet now, the minimum locked amount is 100,000 Univ. I did this on the protocol launch, so you only actually had to put in 42,000. And here we can see the planet values, your bonus APR, and daily income for each planet if you just left that and just press claim after that amount of days, and we can see our compounding. So right now, if you actually manage to get to a Jupiter, your planet's worth at least $40 with an initial investment of about 20. That would take you 34 days. And if you make it to a sun, that was 84 days, and you'd be up to $152 from a $20 investment. So again, this is all if the price of Univ holds. I am still currently down in the protocol overall. I did actually buy in just after the hype. So we obviously had this massive peak for Univ, and I think I bought in around here. It was on the downtrend. I think I bought in at like 0.001, but pretty much I bought in my planet. I think I initially put in around $50. So as we can see, I'm pretty much still under half, but I'm compounding. We're slowly getting there. Again, the price has gone down like 80% since my initial, and then I'm only down about 60% in dollar amount because of the compounding. And I do have faith in the project. Again, I only put a little bit in, only $50, just to sort of see what would happen. And yeah, I'm here just bringing the content for you guys. So make sure to subscribe if you want any more updates on Univ. I'm going to keep compounding. We'll see what happens with any more news. And yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good day, and I'll see you guys in my next one.